Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting a YouTube video from your channel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon in the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select where it says YouTube Studio. Select the Content tab on the left side. And then locate or search at the top for the filter. If you have a lot of videos in here, you can just go ahead and search title, and then you can search for the video you want to delete. Once you've located it in this list, go ahead and check mark next to it, and you can select the More Actions button up here at the top, and then select Delete Forever. Alternatively, you can also just locate the three-dot icon next to the video. This is Options, and left click on that, and then select Delete Forever. It's going to say permanently delete this video. I understand deleting this video is permanent and I will lose all access to audience and video analytics. Check mark that and then select delete forever. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.